how to make money from property investment in the UK, how to get into the property investment game in 2021, property investment pitfalls. What are they? How can I avoid them? How can you avoid them? We all know that property investment can be a lucrative investment, but it comes with its own inherent risk. It is common knowledge that most millionaires are millionaires because of property. Many people have also lost a lot of money due to property investments that have turned into liabilities. So if getting into property investment, or indeed scaling your property investment business, is on your list of 2021 goals, then this recording is definitely for you. Today we kickstart an awesome series which I'm very, very excited about. It's on how to make money from property investment in the United Kingdom. It's how to get into the property investment game. How do you get started? What are the key questions that you ought to ask yourself before you even consider starting property investment in 2021? Hey, it's Judy Condliffe. Thank you so very much for joining me again today on the Creative Legal's Property Investment Lawyers platform.